Galaxy Group of Science, Standard 11th English Medium, Subject Computer by Chikisabi Parmar. Today we are going with the chapter number 2, Animation Tool, Synfig. In Animation Tool Synfig, we are learning the details of Synfig software, Synfig Studio software. Before we going with the Synfig Studio, we learn authoring tools and its type. To create a multimedia presentation using these building blocks, we need application programs known as a multimedia authoring tools. These authoring tools provide the important framework to organize and edit the multimedia elements like graphics, sound, video, and animation. Generally, the authoring tools are classified into three categories. The first category is card or page-based tools. So, we call as a card or page-based, where we develop for designing the simple card or simple single page of animation that we call as a card or page based tool, where we just requirement of single sheet or single page of animation. In card or page based authoring tools, the elements are organized as page of a book or piles of card. The authoring tool links these pages into an organized sequence. These type of tools are useful when the different elements can be viewed individually like the pages of a book. Some example of card-based authoring tools are HyperCard and Multimedia Toolbox, etc. Okay. The second category is icon or event-based tool. In the icon or event-based authoring tools, we used to develop icon-based or event-based tool. For example, we give the some event into the animation. Double click, single click, clicking focus, on mouse over, on mouse out, on single click. These type of event were used to develop the event-based tools. In icon and event-based authoring tools, the elements are organized as object in the structural framework or process. Here you need to build the flowchart of the event or task and then add the elements as per the structure. So, some example of icon and event-based authoring tools are AutoWare and Icon Author. Okay. So, these are the second categories and the third category is time-based authoring tools. Third category is time-based authoring tools. The animation tool which we perform with the sequence of time. The animation tool which we perform with the sequence of time. The animation event or animation tool or animation object, we give the motion accordance to the time intervals. So that will call as a time-based tools. In time-based tools, in time-based authoring tools, the elements are organized along a timeline. They are useful when you want to give a message that has beginning and an end. The elements are displayed as per the time or location of the event. Time-based authoring tools are the most popular amongst all. So, some examples of the time-based authoring tools are Synfig Studio, Pencil, Flash, Macromedia Flash, and Director. Before we going with the specific tools, we first clear the content of the animation. So, you already know that an animation means it is a visual change over a time. Means we give the movements of the object for the specific time intervals. We coordinate with the times as well as the motion. Time and motion. Okay. So we call as a animation. In the animation, we have give the movement. In the animation, we have give the movement to the object with the sequence of time or interval of time. So we called as a animation. In the animation, we categorize in the two portion, 2D animation and 3D animation in sense of dimensional. So first going with 2D means two-dimensional. Two-dimensional stands for width and length, that we call as a 2D animation. When the changes occur if x and y axis. Changes occur in x and y axis. For example, all the 2D surface. I give the example of pages of textbook. These video surface are the 2D, just having a width and length. Just 2D, just two surfaces. They are having a changes in the x and y axis, width and length, that we call as a two-dimensional software. So, every surface which are visualized for two-dimensional, they are having a width and length, that we call as a two-dimensional. I give the sum of the example is your blackboard of the classroom. I give the sum of the example is your blackboard of the classroom. Your textbooks pages all are the 2D surfaces. Means we have only visualized two sides of the object, so we call as a 2D animation. Some of the examples of 2D are two-dimensional are the Macromedia Flash. The Macromedia Flash are widely used in professional world. We know that the Adobe Flash. We know at the Adobe Flash, which are developed the software Macromedia Flash, which are widely used to perform 2D animation in the market. Second, we learn to open source software is Synfig Studio, which will be having detail in the syllabus. The detail of the Synfig Studio given in the syllabus. We have till 1 to 5 chapter will be given from the Synfig Studio. So, these we learn detail in the next topic. Third one is the pencil. Third example is pencil. Pencil is also one of the 2D software of the open source category, which is used to the hand drawn 2D animation. So, these are the 2D animation examples. Now we move to the 3D animation. Now we move to the 3D animation. 3D animation stands for three-dimensional, third dimensional, where the change of occur in the three side. Three side means length, width and height. Whenever we see the third dimension means third side, that we call as a third animation. So I give the some of the example. You already know that in the Ahmedabad we have a science city there having a theater, okay, which will be showing the 3D animation from the initial time, means 2005. There having a one theater we showing the 3D graphics, 3D movies. You already know there having a third visualization of the our eyes view, that we call as a 3D animation. They are having a length, width as well as height. They are having a some professional software which are used in the market to design the 3D animation. Maya, Blender and 3D Max. All the types of cartoons, all the types of your animation act which are mostly designed or developed in these three software. Whatever you are seeing in 3D object or 3D motion effect animation, mostly designed in the software Maya, Blender and 3D Max. These are widely used in the nowadays whole to develop these are widely used in the nowadays world to develop the 3D applications. Now we move to the another tools. Pencil. Pencil is used to design the 2D animation kind of animation software. Pencil is a 2D animation software which is also belong to the time-based animation tools, which is used to the hand-drawn animation for the bitmap and vector graphics. Both the things we can design with the pencil. Okay, pencil is a free download from www.pencilanimation.org. These are the URL given of the website where we can freely download the pencil tool. And the fourth information is pencil is available on various operating systems like Linux, Windows and Mac operating system. These basic things about the pencil. Okay, in pencil animation software you can create a good animation if you are good at freehand drawing instead of object drawing. Now view the interface of the pencil. So these are the information about the some picture idea about the pencil. This about the pencil version is the 0.4, 4.4. These are the version of the pencil. They are having a view of visualizing the sum of the tools, some of the colors, panels, some of the taskbar, some of the status bar, some of the keys, some of the time interval 12, 24, These are the keyframe mentioned for the animation. Wherever we want to give to the motion object, that time we selected that keyframe. For example, if you want to give the motion of 12 frame, this will be move on the 12 frame 12 second. So these are the basic some information about the pencil. We just have this theoretical portion of the pencil, but I just give the picture to get the basic idea about the pencil. So these are the interface about pencil. Now we move with the main software which are widely used for our animation practical. This is a Cinefig Studio. Before we going with the practical, we have to needs to get some of the information about the Cinefig Studio. Cinefig Studio is a time-based multimedia authoring tools that falls in the category of open source. It is available free of cost on the internet and can be downloaded from www.cinefig.org. Cinefig Studio is 2D vector animation software released in 2005 under GNU GPL General Public License. It is designed to produce film quality animation which favor people to resources. It is available on various operating systems like Linux, Windows and Mac operating system. The first version of Cinefig was 0.61.05 and new versions have been regularly launched with additional features till date. The latest version of Cinefig is 0.63.05. Since it is not available as a standard package in Ubuntu Linux, we need to install it first. Once installed, it will be available under the graphics options of application menu. This is a Cinefig window. Cinefig stores animation in XML extensible markup language file format. Okay? File is often compressed using compression software GZIP, which stands for GNU ZIP. Their file used the file name extension .sif in uncompressed form or .sifz in compressed file. Okay? Thank you.